It's midnight and I can't sleep. I can't sleep because it's not dark outside. Reminder, it's midnight. See, here in Iceland, the country is so far up north that during summer it does not get dark. And after a few days without darkness, I realized how much I need it. Darkness helps you fall asleep and wake up at the right time. Darkness helps you stay inside to be with friends and family, and it tells your body that it's time to rest. But when it's light for 24 hours a day, your sleep schedule is all over the place. You lose sense of time and everyone is out and about all the time.
It's midnight!
We don't appreciate things until we lose them, and now that I lost darkness, my message to you is this. Appreciate the beautiful sunrise, the beautiful sunset, and the beautiful darkness in the middle. Because they help you more than you think they do. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow, and good night.